While you're scrolling through Reddit for stock tips, a small group of billionaires is using AI to generate returns that would make Warren Buffett jealous. Renaissance Technologies, 35% annual returns for 3 decades. Their secret? Artificial intelligence. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how they do it and how you can copy their playbook using tools that cost less than a Netflix subscription. The Billionaire AI Advantage. Let me introduce you to the most successful investors you've never heard of. James Simons, founder of Renaissance Technologies. His Medallion Fund returned 66% annually before fees from 1988 to 2018. Not a typo, 66%. Ken Griffin at Citadel, Ray Dalio at Bridgewater. These aren't your grandfather's investors picking stocks based on gut feeling. When they're mathematics PhDs building AI systems that process millions of data points per second. Here's what they know that you don't. The stock market isn't random, it's patterns. And AI is the ultimate pattern recognition machine. These funds spend hundreds of millions on natural language processing to analyze news sentiment, machine learning models predicting price movements, neural networks optimizing portfolio allocation, alternative data analysis, satellite images, credit card transactions, social media trends. But here's the thing, Wall Street doesn't want you to know that technology has finally trickled down to regular investors like you and me. Strategy number 1, sentiment analysis. And this is where it gets fascinating. Renaissance Technologies doesn't just read the news, their AI reads everything. Every earnings call transcript, every tweet from CEOs, every Reddit post, every analyst report, they're processing language at a scale impossible for humans. When Elon tweets, their AI knows within milliseconds whether it's bullish or bearish. When a CEO says challenging headwinds in an earnings call, their models detect the subtle nervousness in word choice that precedes a stock drop. Now here's your retail alternative. Tool number 1, ChatGPT Plus with web browsing cost, $20 per month. You can literally ask, analyze the last 50 news articles about Tesla and give me a sentiment score. It'll do it in 30 seconds. Tool number 2, FinViz Elite, $40 per month. Real-time news sentiment scores for every stock. The same data institutions pay Bloomberg $25,000 per year for. Tool number 3, Centistock or Stockgeist, free to $29 per month. CUNY AI-powered social media sentiment tracking. These tools scan millions of posts to gauge retail investor mood before price moves. A Stanford study found that news sentiment predicted stock returns with 67% accuracy in short-term trades. The billionaires know this. Now you do too. Strategy number 2, pattern recognition. This is where AI becomes genuinely superhuman. Citadel's algorithms can spot patterns across decades of market data, multiple asset classes, global markets simultaneously. They see correlations invisible to the human eye. For example, did you know there's a statistical correlation between copper prices and certain tech stocks? Or that airline stocks often move 3 days before hospitality stocks during travel trends? AI finds these connections. The human brain can track maybe 10 to 20 stocks seriously. Honda AI can track 10,000 and spot when 47 different technical indicators align perfectly. Your retail weapons. Tool number 1, TrendSpider, $40 to $60 per month. This is AI-powered technical analysis on steroids. It automatically identifies chart patterns, head and shoulders, cup and handle, breakouts across thousands of stocks simultaneously. It literally does the work of 50 technical analysts. Tool number 2, Trade Ideas, $80 to $228 per month. Real-time AI stock scanning. You set parameters like find stocks breaking out of consolidation with unusual volume and positive sentiment, and it serves them on a platter. Tool number 3, Stock Hero AI, free tier available. Uses machine learning to identify repeating price patterns and predict future movements based on historical probability. Here's a real example. In March 2024, these AI scanners identified a pattern in semiconductor stocks 3 days before the major rally. The pattern? A specific combination of RSI, volume, and institutional buying that had preceded rallies 78% of the time historically. Retail traders using these tools caught the move. Those relying on gut feeling missed it. Strategy number 3, alternative data. This is where billionaire funds get truly Orwellian. 2 Sigma doesn't wait for quarterly earnings. They predict earnings using alternative data sources. Satellite images of Walmart parking lots to estimate foot traffic. Anonymized credit card transactions to track consumer spending. Job posting data to predict company expansion. Shipping container movements to forecast retail inventory. There's a famous story. A hedge fund knew Target was crushing quarterly sales a month before the announcement because they analyzed parking lot satellite data and saw 15% more cars than the previous year. Now, you're not getting satellite feeds, but you can access similar predictive signals. Tool number 1, Google Trends plus ChatGPT free. Track search volume for company products. Rising searches for iPhone 16 problems before Apple earnings? That's a signal. ChatGPT can analyze the correlation between search trends and stock performance for you. Watch tool number 2, ThinkNum Alternative Data, $50 to $200 per month. Tracks job postings, app downloads, web traffic, pricing changes across thousands of companies. When Airbnb job postings surge, it's often a leading indicator of growth. Tool number 3, Quiver Quantitative Free Tier available. Aggregates alternative data, congressional trading, insider transactions, patent filings, FDA approvals. These are leading indicators institutions pay millions for. Tool number 4, ChatGPT Advanced Data Analysis, $20 per month. Upload any data set, web traffic, app rankings, social mentions, and ask it to find correlations with stock prices. It'll run the statistical analysis in seconds. A Bloomberg study found that alternative data improved return predictions by 23%. The edge exists. The tools are finally accessible. Strategy number 4, AI portfolio optimization. And this is how billionaires sleep at night while making money. Bridgewater Associates, the world's largest hedge fund, uses AI to constantly rebalance their portfolio based on correlation between assets, risk metrics across global markets, macroeconomic indicators, volatility predictions. They're running Monte Carlo simulations, thousands of possible future scenarios, to optimize the risk-reward ratio of every single position. Ray Dalio calls it the all-weather portfolio, but it's really just sophisticated AI risk management. Your retail equivalents, tool number 1, Portfolio Pilot, formerly Quarter, free. AI analyzes your current portfolio and suggests optimizations for better risk-adjusted returns. It's like having a robo-advisor that actually explains its reasoning. Tool number 2, Composer.trade free tier available. It builds algorithmic trading strategies using AI without coding. It automatically rebalances based on conditions you set. Tool number 3, ChatGPT Portfolio. Analysis $20 per month. Seriously, upload your portfolio, ask it to analyze correlation, suggest diversification, identify concentration risk. It uses modern portfolio theory better than most financial advisors. Tool number 4, Kavote $30 per month. AI rates stocks 1 to 10 and suggests optimal portfolio construction for your risk tolerance. Here's what AI does that you can't. It removes emotion, no panic selling, no FOMO buying, just mathematical optimization. Vanguard research showed that emotional decision-making costs investors 1.5 to 2% annually. AI doesn't have emotions. Democratization. So here's the bigger picture. What's happening right now is the democratization of AI investing. 20 years ago, these tools cost millions. They required PhDs, specialized hardware, proprietary data feeds. They were exclusive to the billionaire class. Today, the entire AI investing toolkit I just showed you costs less than $300 per month. Most of it is free or under $50. You're living through a moment where the information asymmetry that made Wall Street billions is collapsing. Does this mean you'll match Renaissance Technologies' returns? No, they still have advantages: execution speed, capital scale, proprietary algorithms. But you don't need to match them. You just need an edge over the average investor who's still picking stocks based on CNBC headlines and Reddit hype. The gap between institutional AI and retail AI is the smallest it's ever been, and it's only getting smaller. Renaissance made 66% because they had AI in 1988 when nobody else did. Today, everyone has access. The question is, are you going to use it? Here's what to do next. Start with the free tools: ChatGPT, FinViz, QuiverQuant. Test the sentiment analysis strategy on 5 stocks. Track the results for 30 days. Then layer in one pattern recognition tool, TrendSpider or Trade Ideas Trial. Finally, optimize your portfolio using AI risk management. I put links to every single tool mentioned in the description below, along with a free PDF guide, the Billionaire AI Investing Checklist. If you want me to do a deep dive on any of these strategies or test them live with real money, let me know in the comments. Subscribe so you don't miss it. I'm bringing you the AI investing strategies the mainstream won't tell you about. Mom, one last thing. This isn't financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. AI is a tool, not a crystal ball, but it's the best tool individual investors have ever had access to. The game has changed. Are you ready to play it?